Like, why are we the reggae island, right? The home of reggae, the birthplace of reggae, and you don't hear reggae up Old Hope Road on Bob Marley Avenue? Why is it Old Hope Road and not Bob Marley Avenue where the museum is? Why is the museum something that only tourists go to? Shouldn't we be having live concerts on the street, everywhere that you go? Shouldn't our hotels be having real Jamaican reggae performances at nights, and not, singing foreign songs to our
Michael
guests?
Jackson, something there, man. I'm tired. I'm tired of Mr. Ehu.
How do we say we have this potential in our culture, and we're not spending the time to package it? Why are our artists with such immense talent not being given the support by government to get them visa to go foreign, to make the money that they need to make and come back? Who is lobbying for them? As I said, in my practice as a communications consultant, I have always been in the background to build and to push people. I'm bringing that same kind of approach. You're not going to see me on every stage as your culture and creative industry representative. I'm not going to be there. It's not about me. It really is about how I can use my power, my voice, my capacity to build the product that really, really, really represents what Jamaica is about. Sam Sharp, from South St. James, from my constituency. But all we do is we celebrate them on Heroes Day and we talk about them for 2 minutes.